कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kum shibenta ka jing Pynshlur ya ki Khynnah Skul bakin pass baha ha ka subject science, technology, engineering but mathematics ka Skul JNV Mawphlang kalapen bana ban ai Khusnam da ka song Pisa ka bakot 6000 tangka shibenai. Ya kani la pentep da PGT Physics but Vigyan Jyoti Coordinator u Rajesh Kumar Chaudhary habakren bat ki nonglum khubor jang ka batisi TV ha ka arpulai trek unai luar arajar pulai. Kani ka scheme kan long bai thek tang na ka pentaki Khynnah kan thai ki bapuli ha ki Skul JNV.
Today I am delighted to stand before you and want to shed light on a remarkable initiative taking place in our school, the Vigyan Jyoti program, phase 4. This program holds great significance as it not only promotes education in field of science but also empowers our young girls to excel in STEM. STEM means science, technology, engineering and mathematics. In this phase of Vigyan Jyoti program, we have undertaken a mission to provide scholarships of rupees 1000 per month for 12 months for class 12 science girls student. These scholarships serves as more than just monetary aid. They are symbolic of our commitment to nurturing young talent and encouraging them to pursue their dreams in the world of science. This financial support can alleviate some of them barriers that young girls face when pursuing an education in STEM. But that's not all. Our dedication to fostering a passion for science among our female students goes beyond financial assistance. We have also distributed science kits to them, and those science kits are not just collection of materials but also they can do by using them hands-on activity when there is online class for class 10 students, girls students. The Vigyan Jyoti program phase 4 is rooted in the belief that humans have an invaluable role to play in the world of science. Historically, there has been a gender gap in STEM fields, but we are determined to change the narrative. By providing scholarships and science kits, we are sending a powerful message. Gender should never be a barrier to success in science. Apart from giving scholarships and science kits, we have to plan a visit to our science knowledge partner, that is Northeastern Hill University, NEHU. Apart from that, we will also planning a one-day science camp for any institution which is having great scientific value in our local area. It is our hope that by empowering our girls with these resources, we are not only shaping future scientists and engineers but also promoting inclusivity and diversity in STEM. We aim to see our young girls break through the glass ceilings of prejudice and stereotypes and become the leaders, innovators and problem solvers of tomorrow. In conclusion, the Vigyan Jyoti program phase 4 is a beacon of hope, a promise of a brighter future and a testament to our unwavering commitment to empowering the girl in our school. Those scholarships and science kits, we are showing the seeds of curiosity, knowledge and confidence in the hearts and minds of our young girls, enabling them to shine in the world of STEM. Together, we can nurture a generation of female scientists and engineers who will undoubtedly shape the future of our world. Thank you.